Okay gents, right. Yeah, discussed previously, we're going to build the scaffold that sits on the pontoon in 2 sections up on site. Now what we'll do, we'll build a frame. So what we're going to do, this is ground level. We're then going to construct a low level frame, down 500mm, nothing more than that really. All level. That will allow us then to construct the top and bottom section next to each other. What we need to make sure is that we line these sections up. So when we're ready to join these 2 sections together, we've considered all the different elements in the different scaffolds, and there's not going to be any situation where we may have conflict where we cannot actually connect it. So what we typically do, we start off with the ladder beam. So first of all, there'll be scaffold boards placed on top of the frame. We will then install a base ladder beam connected to these boards. Then from there there'll be a short punch up, same again, same again. Now because of where it is quite low level, the units of material we use are quite small, we could actually erect this on your own, one guy basically, but there's going to be 2 of us. So this section here is basically 3 meters. So while we're setting these scaffolds out, it's quite easy for you guys to keep apart. If one sets the gear out first, the other guy comes behind and he can start installing these scaffolds. That's just use a bit of common sense. Obviously, if we got a guy here, another guy here, when it's time to get into here, all this guy does is going to move away, really. Nothing more than that. That is around about 2 meters, but it's just about keeping out of each other's way. So, like I say, coming back to the build, so we put the base ladder beam in, put the puncheons in, then we install the modular beams on the base, and then once again on top, another ladder beam, and then finally we'd secure all the bracing as per the design. Regarding the top section, what we'd look to do in the top section is get that right. Build the top section alongside the bottom section here. So the difference between what we can do here though, what we will do, we'll install as part of this frame ladder beams in exactly the same place as the ones adjacent. Then what we can do then, put standers in. Now this part is the base, because this eventually will sit up in here. So we can install that, boards, guardrail, next lift, brace, next lift, guardrail boards, ladder beam in 2 center standards. While this is up on top and complete, or when it is complete, we can do a trial run where we lift this section off this frame, sit it up on the base unit, connect the bottom cord to the top cord of the ladder beam with band and plate, that'll secure it before we actually install additional uprights just to fix the 2 scaffolds together. So this scaffold basically on plan would be 3 meters wide by approximately 3.6 meters long on plan. So just want to be mindful of where we are standing. So if some guy's bringing gear in from whatever direction, the other guy's over here, he's just keeping out the way. This scaffold is not as wide, it's potentially 1.2 meters wide, 6 meters long. So the distance in the element will be through the length. We don't want to be standing opposite each other in that location. So yeah, we can build that up, and obviously then when we get to this level we're still in close contact, so we can board this level out, secure the boards, just bring the gear in here, the guy takes the gear from there and he can place it here. When that guy gets up, he's on here ready to go. The other fella's already put the fittings on there for him, waiting for him to install this. Now, when this guy jumps up and it's done, obviously then he come a little bit closer then and feed him as he normally would. But what we need to do is just have a minimum amount of men, which would be 2, and just be mindful. It's not how we normally work, but in these times you just got to take account of what restrictions we work under. And as I've said before in other talks we've done, this is just a starting point. Obviously site conditions may be slightly different, and then you can change the plan of works to suit. But for us, just a point of discussion, and we'll make a WhatsApp group, put it together, and then that'll be our forum then for discussing these projects. Right, thanks a lot guys.